Hello guys, I hope you all are good. So first of all, please like and subscribe my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enhance your avatar. Many people don't know how to enhance their avatar and how to look good in Imvu. So if you want to enhance your avatar, please watch this video until end. So let's start our video. If you want to enhance your avatar, you need a good head for your face. As you can see, my head looks so fine. So go to heads and find a good head for you. As you can see, this head looks also good. You need hairs for your avatar. Go to hair section and see any hair you want. This hair looks good on me. Then after that you can change your clothes. Go to clothes and then I see a good top for you. Mm, I think this top looks good. You can also make your head look slim by using scalar, stretch your head slimmer. As you can see, my head become slim. Then you can change your bottom. Search here something looks good for you. Mm, I think this looks good. So this is how you can enhance your avatar. If you want increase your arms width, or then go to all, then search here scalar. I would suggest 120 arm scalar. As you can see, my arms become bigger and I'm looking muscular. So if you want part 2 of this video, please like and subscribe my channel and like this video. So bye.